Okay, I'm installing the Harbor Freight boost gauge here. And one of the things I saw in a lot of the reviews is that it wouldn't remember the color that you left it on. I think maybe people are misinterpreting the wiring instructions. So here's what we have. Black is ground, obvious. White goes to the dashboard lights, which is the illumination wire. You can get that at your radio or at the headlight switch. So that's normal. Orange, battery positive. I think what people were doing here is putting it to a switched battery connection, or switch 12 volts as opposed to constant 12 volts, because constant 12 volts would make sense for remembering that kind of thing. So I have it wired that way right now. I have the black wire to ground, the white wire to the dashboard positive trigger for the lights. So you turn the lights on, and then you get 12 volts to it. And then the orange, I did it to constant battery power. And all of that on this car, I was able to get it right here at the radio. And here we go. So it's turning the headlights on. You can see it's white. Now let's change it to, let's say, blue. I'm going to turn the headlights off. It's off. And then turn the headlights back on. Still blue. So yeah, that's how you wire this. And I don't know how so many of the reviews got it wrong, or maybe it's an updated version and they changed that. Who knows? But if you have any questions or comments or concerns, just leave them down. Real quick video on this.